Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something special and unique type of food, and that is kikiam. Kikiam is like Chinese chorizo or Chinese sausage. The reason why it will be unique because we will be using this ano gani ni? Tofu sheets given to me by Bern. Bern, salamat kid Bern ha. If it were not for you, hindi ko cobra sang this one. So to start, to start is we will need many things. We need 1 kilo pork, baboy. This is ground meat, uh, lean, lean pork. And then, nakaroon lang. Then we need 4 cups of radish. This is coarsely grated. We need 2 cups carrots. Again, this is also coarsely grated. We also need onion, rough choply. We have green onions. We have salt, 1 teaspoon salt. We have 1/4 cup, or is this 1/2 cup chopped shrimps. This is 1/2 cup potato starch. This is 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. This is 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. This is 1 tablespoon 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, whole eggs, baby eggs, and then 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons sugar. So, we will need, tarang, salamat sa naghatag, this mixer so that it will help us mix this quite easily. So what I'll do is I will put them here together. Come on, baby. Arada. And then this one. Uh-oh. Oo. Kaya lang. Oh, nakabudlay. Yan. I don't like the smell of radish. Ayun. Okay, karoon lang. And then we have carrots. Mula ning kapadamo sa ila, no? So we will damo ni siya kayo pero we will just cook according to our needs. And then we will add the shrimp. If you're allergic to shrimp, you can skip this. You like to eat kikiam? The kikiam that you eat in the sidewalk. Ang tawon to kung pareho ni, pero I think it is different. This is what you buy from Binondo grocery stores. Amo na yung kikiam, not the kikiam that you buy together with the fish balls. And then, we'll add this one. Pang simpon lang tanan ha. Pang simpon lang tanan. This is soy sauce. We scrape everything para linis. And then, we add our oyster sauce. And then, we add some, ay hala, look at this. Look, salt. Marlo kami tropo ko beside me ba? This is sugar. This is pepper. This is 5-spice powder. This makes the recipe unique. The 5-spice powder, you will taste the Chinese cuisine in it because of this Chinese 5-spice powder. 5 spice. I do not know what are those 5 spices. And this one is potato starch. I am using as potato starch, not cornstarch, but potato starch. And all-purpose flour. Ay, ala. I will need 2 eggs. 1 egg, 2 eggs. And then I will put them all together. And then I will add the paddle attachment. Ala. Wala, bongga ka day. Bongga ka day. Hindi. Ala. There. Mati narasuka karon ah. Okay. So, dali lang. This one, I will blend it. Hinahinay lang. Dali lang. Gida. Ay, wala maon. Why maon natin? 1, 2, 3. Blend slowly. Slowly lang ang blending. Okay, okay. Hey, look at this. And this is our mixture. And then, we will wrap it now. No? So, I have here 1 sheet. And then, I just measure about 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup lang ah. No? And then, put it here. And then, okay. And then, I have here, the potato starch and water for to seal our wrapper. Okay. Now, we will roll. Ito, lumpia lang ah. Sulod-sulod, hindi pa kita. Okay. So, I have here, put it here, and later, sorry lang, tiko-tiko. And later, we will steam this. Lang. I have to prepare damo pa. Kaya I have here how many packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pa. So, I will be back later. Hey, I have made 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kikiam. And these are now ready for steaming. Before that, we will oil our steamer. We will oil our steamer. And then we'll oil. I'll just spread it on my hand and then put some oil. Pwede man guro direkta, no? It is like putting lotion over your legs. Okay, now we will put this here. The longest, the next one, kay daw gutok dahil we will move a little. Diba ang kikiam nakita na to, nagadugatiko. Okay, sito tiko man eh. Next is, we go to layer number 2. Layer number 2, we will put, okay. This will go, and this will be steamed for about 30 minutes. Then you know what we'll be doing next after steaming? Yes, we will fry it. Pero after steaming, we will not fry everything because we will not eat everything. Siguro, we will just fry, siguro one log only for our tasting. And then we will just keep this in the freezer along with this one. Sino gusto mangayo sa sini? My hands are ready. So now we will go to the steamer and then steam this. Dali lang ha. So our kikiam has been steamed already. So I'm trying to transfer it here. So we will try to fry this one. So dali lang, ay pituhon lang and then we come back. Our steamed kikiam. And this is our fried kikiam. Look here. This is how it would look like inside. I just add our garden salad. So, yay! This is hamut. So, I invite you all to make one too. So, we have the same food. Okay, thank you for watching. Kaunta everyone.